Well, they say you can rip it down the middle and it should come out pretty easy. I've never tried it. I don't know how good my vibrating saw got through it. So if it didn't get through it, I'll use the skill saw. And let me see if I can get it up. And this stuff locks together good, don't it? There it comes. Getting it back together is going to be the thing. Well, I got that one out. Let me work on some more, guys. Let's see, I'll work on this one. Let me try the skill saw this time. Yep, I think my battery dead. It makes a bigger mess. Yeah, it didn't cut all the way through yet. Well, that gets it out. Well, only like 4 more pieces to go, so I'll be back. Well, guys, piecing this stuff back together ain't worth a crap. I found a crack right here and a piece missing. Another crack. I don't know if you can see it right there, and another crack right there. So I'm just gonna try to piece this back. It just don't snap together real good unless you can just get all of it back up and redo it. But this floor goes under the cabinets too. So I'm gonna do the best I can to get it back together, and later on rip it all out in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And put some wood floors or something down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause this stuff I don't think was made for a trailer house with wood floors. This is plastic. And the reason I bought it, because we had kids that spilt all the time. And I figured, well, that would help. But this stuff, it's old. We put this in after Harvey, and it's kind of like it's dry rotted in places. Brittle.
Yeah, like this.
So I'm gonna get off here and finish this up. I'm not gonna mess with it no more until it's ready to come up. I'm not even gonna fix that.
Yeah.
So that's the end of this video. I'm sick of working on crap that I did.
Yeah.
I guess I should have researched it better, but the boxes that it came in didn't say nothing about not putting it on wood sub floors or anything. It probably works great on a flat concrete surface, but these wood floors, it don't work worth a crap. And it might have been better if I had the padding under it. I don't know.
Yeah, me too.
We'll see in Autumn's room a few more years if hers starts breaking. But the rest of the house is fine. It's just this kitchen and our bedroom where the subfloor warped. So naturally, the flooring's gonna break too. So will you stop? I'm trying to do a video. Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. Say bye, Autumn.
Bye.
I sneezed bye, huh?
Yeah.
Bye. We love y'all.
We love y'all. Bye.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe. Can I pause it?
Bye.
Bye.